back to Best Life and Beyond, back at Disneyland. It has been quite a while. I'm solo. Katie's with Grandma today. I've been working a show, some of you may or may not know. So I've been absent, been on stage managing, doing that old thing. It's been a blast, but I haven't been to Disneyland in a hot minute. We also took a trip to Lake Tahoe, video to come. So yeah, it has been a while. Halloween is in full swing. We're very excited. I'm gonna take a walk through, give you guys an update, see what's going on. Crowds seem to be pretty proper, healthy. We'll confirm that, as we go. I say we. I'm here with my friend Jeremy today. There's Jeremy. So yeah, we're gonna take it as we go and see what's going on. It's a beautiful day. The sun's out. SoCal, Halloween, Disneyland, update. Everything. I'm excited. Let's go. Yes, Main Street, USA. It's safe to say Halloween is in full swing. Omnibus going by. What up, Omnibus? All right. We were drawn over to Tomorrowland because, well, not because of the rocket jets or the Astro Orbiter or whatever it's called now. The crowd this early in the morning it's not that early. It's like 11:30, but Astro Blasters all the way down here, extended queue. Massive. It is crowded for a Sunday. A lot of times Sundays have been kind of mellow because of the price going up, but not today. All right, so we've kind of been drawn to the Matterhorn, and I don't know about the line. Maybe we'll do single rider and just try to.
We might have to
get ourselves on there because so far the crowd, from what we've seen with like Astro Blasters, that it's pretty proper. So at Matterhorn bobsleds, 40 minutes. Probably going to do the single rider if we're going to do it at all. I was going to say we're in the monorail scare zone right here, but anyways. So they're informing everybody, you're going to get separated, blah, 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 but it's cool. Get the single rider ticket. Rad.
Is that just to get ahead of it so that you can't argue with them when you get there?
Likely, yeah, that's all right. We're just a few away here from being chosen. Sometimes you get chosen to be in the same sled, sometimes not. We'll see how it plays out. All right, I got 6, but it ended up being like 20 minutes, so... and I think Jeremy's going to be on the next one, probably. Okay. Maybe 2. Oh, boy. All right, ready. Coming for you, Harold. Train behind us. Oh, there they are. Now they're past us. Oh! Wonder if Jeremy ended up behind me. Let's see. Okay, that was really fun. It had been a long time, 20 minutes pretty much door to door for us to get on that attraction on a super crowded day. So single rider, profitable. I think Jeremy was like 3 trains away from me.
Yeah.
Monorail, 100th rail. When the sun hits it like that, come on. So epic. Anyways, lagoon, little breeze on the lagoon, little sea breeze, which we enjoy, taking in the sights, and we're just gonna cruise around now. I feel good. You feel good?
I feel great.
Yeah, kind of woke me up.
Yep.
Because we were gonna get coffee, but the line was too long, so we had the Matter Brew. It's a dark roast. Harold brews it up in the
rough
morning.
around the edges.
It is. It's like cowboy coffee. Yeah. There's some grounds in it,
Gets the job done.
Okay, we're back on the move. Small World High, we're not going over there. Nope. We're gonna head into Fantasyland, see what's going on. Say hi to Monstro. You know, Mr. Monstro. What's up, buddy? It's been too long. I don't see any, he's not spouting any water today, but he is ingesting boats. He's very happy. It's a beautiful day. Hope you got your sunscreen on, buddy. All right, Mr. Toad's loading up the queue over there. It says 20 minutes from like right there, so that's a good 30-minute wait, maybe, something like that. Yeah, typical Fantasyland on a weekend. It looks pretty packed. Middle of the day, we always kind of recommend staying away from here in the middle of the day, so don't know why I walked over here. I just kind of wanted to see it for myself and show you guys, but we're gonna leave. Let the kids have it because this is their time here. We were pretty bold just even walking in here, you know, I have to say. Kids are like, get out of here, you guys. This is our thing. Go to Galaxy's Edge, go to DCA. Okay, we are headed into Galaxy's Edge because, why not? I was gonna give, I don't know if you can hear that on the mic, but ships are flying over. I like to pass through and then head to like Critter Country, kind of taking the lap. Well, sad to say, it was an uneventful pass through Galaxy's Edge, folks. But sometimes that's a good thing, right? No news is good news. And if you're old like me, Gary news. But yeah, uneventful. We just kind of strolled. We like had a good chat though. You know, like.
Nice walk.
Yeah, if you're into that at Disneyland, sometimes coming this way is a nice. It's a nice path over here to end up by the river. It's very pleasant. We came up to Hungry Bear, and the entire back patio is packed. Wow, it is lunch hour. Makes sense. Very quiet though. There's no theme music over here, which is kind of interesting. Somehow Jeremy scored a table. Good job, good eye. While I was floundering around. All right, so we're gonna probably mobile order now since we got a table.
You gotta take a table when you can.
Yeah. Oh, here comes the Columbia. We got a good view spot. Stand by. Fire in the hole.
Big ready to fire on. Fire one. Now thanks for putting some fear in them. Looks like we're safe for now.
This is the new bacon cheeseburger for the season. It's got some crazy looking sauce on there. I'll put the description below right there. That's what it is. Okay, I've got this messy thing in my hand. Look at this. Pretty gnarly. Don't judge me. It's pretty good. It does have a little more kick than a normal bacon cheeseburger, but it's good. I'm not mad at it. I would get this again, 100%. All right, Jeremy got us some onion rings too, and if you notice, looks like there's pepper sprinkled on there. I don't know what to see. Maybe that's the special one? I thought it came with the sauce, but anyways, either way. You can definitely taste that pepper. I don't recall it being like that, so it was good though. It's definitely there. It's present for sure. But overall, stoked. I think the fries and the onion rings with that sauce would be good actually, so I do want to try that in the future. But yeah, stoked. All right, taking a look at the old Tiana project. Doesn't look like much has changed except for the stump being gone from my vantage, but let me take a little stroll into Critter Country because you never know. You gotta look at all the angles. Wow, look at this, Winnie the Pooh all the way to the bridge. About 30 minutes over in Pooh Corner looking at just no stump. It's just so weird looking up there and not seeing anything, but yeah, nothing to report, unfortunately. I honestly think the last thing that was of significance that they took down was like the little cabin that was back there up top. I think it was Bluebird's house, maybe? I forget whose house that was. But anyways, haven't really seen any progress yet. Let's go around to the front and see, but I doubt anything. I think more so we want to see New Orleans Square and see if they started anything over there. Treehouse, that kind of stuff. Oh, train. Yeah. That's good timing. That's timing right there. What is this? What is happening? The secret trail has a security door and a fence. Oh no.
They're hiding something.
What are they hiding?
I don't know. They're hiding something though.
Dang. This was to get a good view of the moat down there. Nothing really going on, but still get a look straight on at the old drop. Former Chickapin Hill. Nothing really to speak of except for this door, this This is not cool. Look at the sign still there. Critter Country sign is still there. I'll keep reporting on that until it's gone. And in other very strange developments, Jeremy, we have tables.
It's because they blocked off.
Because they took it, yeah. They took
why.
away that over there, which you can see some umbrellas kind of sticking up. But yeah, it used to be the eating area on the secret trail. So
Yeah.
now the obvious trail is who wants to sit here in this hot sun?
In this hot sun around a bunch of people.
Or are they just storing these tables here?
Oh yeah, see.
Anyways, maybe some umbrellas, guys.
And it goes to show on a crowded day, not one person is sitting down there.
No.
Super, it's a very crowded day.
Yeah.
Every table and chair is taken up everywhere except for.
Yeah. This is like a torture trip. It's like it's like if you're punished is where you get to eat. I don't even know. Well, well, well. There it is. Haunted Mansion Holiday. Look at this Oogie Boogie balloon coming by. Well, well, well. There he is. It's hot today, so that's a good attraction to go in and get out of the heat. Get spookified. And look at this. Here's the line for Genie Plus. Kind of in the shade for a second. And then we'll show you the standby line. All right, so 65 for standby, and it's snaking through the park a little, but not too bad yet. So oftentimes when the Haunted Mansion Holiday line gets really long, they'll use Magnolia Park here, which is soon to be this whole expansion thing that they announced between Tiana's and the mansion and tying it all in. So it's still intact. They haven't started work here yet, but look how beautiful it looks in here. I'm sure they'll retain that. That fountain's going to be moved and be a whole thing happening here, but it looks nice today. Taking a look at Tiana's Palace in full swing. It's been weeks since the opening, and people are taking it in. It's just, Jeremy was even saying it feels normal to you. It feels just like a little bit of a spruce up, right? It's the same vibe, right?
It's the same vibe. Literally, the physical building itself and the layout is exactly the same.
Yeah.
Just a new paint job, maybe like different color lighting.
Menu items, and then Tiana in her new outfit cruising through once in a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, that's all you really need to kind of change something anyway.
Yeah. So
it's fine.
It's nice. Jeremy's going to go take a look while I wander the outside and check the line. It's not too long, really. It is a little bit after the lunch rush, but it's worth it. You walk in and grab your food and then find a seat. Even this side, I think, is a great place to sit, even though it's not like inside the Tiana's Palace proper, but this over here with the big tree, it's a really nice place to come sit as well. Don't forget about those seats over there. And don't forget about mobile order pickup. There it is right there. Another smart move to make if you're trying to maximize your day here. Check out the Tom Sawyer Island rafts are back today. I love seeing that. It's one of my favorite things. Hey, more added tables right here. This is good because this is a popular eating area, but it's always full. So they've made more access for folks. But we're going to take a look at the Mark Twain right now. Look at this. She's under scaffold. But I'm talking in the voice of the guy who does the Columbia rant. But yeah, the Mark Twain is bathed in scaffolding. Maybe a paint job is due. It almost looks like they've done some sanding and some stuff here. Wow. She deserves it. I haven't looked far ahead on the calendar to see when Mark Twain's coming back, but it's just one of the closures that's happening right now for refurbishment. I know Space Mountain is down. I know Golden Horseshoe is down right now. Those are the significant ones that I could just think off the top of my head. So be aware, just check the Disneyland app and you can look at the date you're going to be here and it'll tell you what's offline if you check the date on the app. So there you go. Wow, Pirates of the Caribbean. It says 20 minutes. Now, it's a people eater, so it's very possible,
There's
but
no way.
I'm seeing people on the bridge now,
There's
so
no
usually
way.
that's 30 if it's a bridge at least, right? So, woo! That's crazy. All right, we're coming up on the treehouse. Oh yeah, look at this. Not only do we have the bucket system intact, it's in place. Look at that. You can see the wheel on the bottom. Dude,
Is that the only difference though?
No, they've made a lot of different changes to it, but they've brought it back to like its original, taking out all the Tarzan stuff. So yeah, it's looking really proper, you guys. I am so excited. There's some scaffolding over here, but like, come on, man. I think we're getting close. Check out all the lanterns. That's going to be really cool at night. If that whole thing has lanterns, oh man, that would be awesome. But yeah, you can get a kind of a neat view here. All right, Indiana Jones 5-0, which is really, honestly, not that bad. I almost feel like, what did it just break down recently and they're getting opened back up or something? Because that's not bad. All right, Frontierland, there's not much going on, but look at this here. We got ourselves quite a big Thunder line blocking the view of the old Rancho del Zocalo. You know it's crowded when people have to look at a double back line instead of a nice view of Frontierland itself. But there you go. Let's go check it and see how long that line is. I'm guessing
What do you guys
55 minutes. What'd you say?
think? It's gonna say you're probably right, but it's gonna say 40 minutes.
It's gonna say 40 minutes. All right. Okay, as we round the corner, the branches are obscuring the sign. What's it gonna be? Closest without going over 45. It looks like, Jeremy, you're closest. Oh, actually, we both went over, didn't we? You said 40?
Yeah.
You were closer, though. You were 5 minutes off. I was 10 minutes off, so 45. All right.
And it might be accurate too.
It could be, yeah. All right, I have to say, it's crowded, but the crowd is manageable today. Noticing ride times weren't like super gnarly. You could definitely, get the stuff you want to do done, I think, if you just commit to it a little bit, but not too bad. And then Halloween temperatures. It is a little warm, very typical for us this time of year, but hey, it's not too bad, right? The evenings have been really nice, so. Halloween time is in full swing. We're digging it. Okay, Main Street's like the 405 right now. Very active. We're kind of in the midst. I mean, we got fire trucks coming up. Or no, red car. That's red car. Got yellow car in front, red car behind. Dude.
Ollie right there. We got Ollie right there.
And then Omnibus is pulled over. Omnibus is like, I can't even deal with this. Well, here he goes. He's out. He's like, I'm going. There goes Omni. Omnibus. This has left the building. Elvis has left the building. All right, you guys, that's going to wrap it up. Hope you enjoyed it. It was a really fun day, just cruising around a little Matterhorn, having lunch, chilling with Jeremy. We just kind of took a stroll around the park. I mean, it is a park, right? So we can do those things. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you to our Patreons. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you next time on Best Life and Beyond. For Katie and myself, bye-bye, everybody.